I'm happy to present today Yuan guided replays because I know many practitioners, they want to know what is the balance method because they heard of the great logic and the amazing effectiveness of the balance method. And they are looking for a good environment to just learn this amazing technique of acupuncture. And they trust Yuan to learn it. However, the problem is that we sometimes live in different time zone or we have different schedule, and it's hard to have everybody meet in together in an online class. And the all other aspect is that we want to privilege the high quality of our training by limiting the number of people that are together, especially in an online training. So we have been looking for solutions, and we had this great idea to record our live online classes and make them available for people at different time zones. However, we don't want to. We don't want you feel left alone in your studies and in your training with us. That's why the idea behind the guided replay is that you can learn like you are in a real class with other participants and with a supervisor who is very advanced in the balance method and who has experience in supervising people. So today, I'm very happy to introduce Sandra, who has an extensive experience in the balance method. And above all, she's a very, very passionate balance method practitioner. So hi, Sandra.
Hi, Delphine. Thank you for inviting me.
Could you please introduce a little bit yourself and your history with the balance method?
Yes, I am a licensed acupuncturist since more than 14 years now. I graduated in 2004 from my TCM studies in Berlin. And yes, I met Dr. Tan in 2006 at the TCM Congress in Rothenburg. There is a funny story behind, but maybe we are going to share that another day.
Funny story about a red dress.
So since that day I met Dr. Tan, I just have exclusively practiced the balance method in my clinic. In 2007, then I got a state certified healing practitioner, Heilpraktiker, it's called in German. And in 2008, I did an internship in Dr. Tan's clinic in San Diego for a few weeks.
I remember we met there. Actually.
Yes, we met there. Yes, that's true. And then I think it was in 2011, Dr. Tan asked me to start translating his classes simultaneously from English into German. So I did this challenge and I started translating the AcuCore, the Acu Advanced classes, and yeah, all 4 Barze levels with him. And then unfortunately he passed away.
Yes, that was, I remember you have been to many classes as a student and also as a translator. So you have a great experience of the training and the classes with Dr. Tan. So you know many of his jokes, actually. And yes, after Dr. Tan passed away, and Dr. Tan asked ask some of his apprentices to continue his mission, and you choose to keep on involving and helping Siran in this mission. And you continued actually organizing classes and translating, and also participating into Syrian community. And you did that so many times that I know now we know each other so well when we are teaching. And in the classes now you are also supervising practice in small groups. I completely trust you for that. We did that in Lucerne many times, and you have this experience in guiding and supervising groups of people.
Yes.
And you are also very active in the Syrian community. Could you please tell us a little bit about that?
Yes, I am the moderator of the German Facebook group. I help to guide people there if they have questions. I'm going to answer all those emails. And I am a proofreader and reviewer of Syrian content, what we put on the website or on the newsletter.
Yes, so that is your that is another great responsibility, because you are responsible of the accuracy of the acupuncture content that is published in the name of Syrian. So that is um, uh, that this is a responsibility that we give only to people who have a very high level in the balance method, and who are also very used to how we teach, and the spirit in which we train our students.
Yes, and I was writing an article also for the Swiss TCM journal Yin Yang last year in summer, I guess. Yeah.
Yes, I remember that was also a very interesting one.
Yes.
And of course, you have also walked your way through Syrian certification, and you are the first upper level Syrian certification. And so I want to congratulate you for this, because this was achieved last year.
Yes, it was a hard way, a long way to present all those case studies. Yes, but it was also a learning process, of course. Yeah.
Yeah, this is part of the learning, and
Yeah.
this is great that you could achieve this. And finally, I would like also you talk a little bit to us about your experience in Syrian Sundays.
Yes, Syrian Sundays is a kind of new creation from Syrian, and it's a series where Syrian core members present cases from their own clinic. And I like this very, very much, because we present things from real life to other practitioners, and we have to learn also to follow the steps, to follow the logic, and we learn a lot, and also the students learn a lot. And also we can see, okay, I did this case 1 year before, now I would do it maybe a little bit different, because now my thinking process is more more improved. So yes, it's a very, very good tool to learn, I think. Yes.
Yeah, and it's a great experience that you have in also presenting something to a large audience, because we in some Syrian Sundays we have a lot of people, so that's a great experience in doing this. And of course I'm with you in many Syrian Sundays, and I can say that you really are a good presenter. You're very clear in how you speak, and you care about people understanding what you say, and that is very important in being a good supervisor and a good teacher. What the role that you're going to play in the guided replay is very important, because you are going to be the person supervising and guiding the class, who is going to listen to a class that I taught already to other people, and you will be supervising live all the practices, so needling practice, also case studies, so you will answer questions, and you will also guide people in their logic of the balance method, and give them personal corrections. So I think this would be a great occasion for people who want to learn the balance method in a high quality environment, with me as a teacher, but with the environment of a class, with other people you can chat with, you can interact with, you can discuss case studies with, and also with the very unique teacher and supervisor here, Sandra, who will share her experience with you, and guide you in the way of your learning the balance method. So thank you very much, Sandra. Do you have anything else you would like to share with your future students and participants?
Yes, I'm looking forward to see you in the very first replay starting in February.
So thank you very much, and see you there.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.